Hello guys, welcome back to our channel on Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download voiceover files in Genshin Impact. So guys, to download voiceover files, you just need to be on your settings. And to go to your settings, you must log in and open your game like I have, and just go ahead and look at the top left button over there, and once you tap there, just go ahead and tap on settings right here, and now a page has opened with controls, key bindings, graphics, audio, messages, and language. And finally, you can see the game language and the voiceover language. So we just need to go ahead and tap on voiceover language, and now you can see these options. You can see Chinese voiceover language takes up 5.13 GB, and English 6.52, and Korean 5.23. So it's your choice to download whatever file that you want. As you can see, I have downloaded the Japanese one. I can also choose to uninstall it, but I only have one voiceover file, so I cannot uninstall it. That's how you download voiceover files in Genshin Impact. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.